Sesho. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're grateful to be hosting you for this interview. As part of the Pharma MES marketing, we would like to get to know you more and your speaker session. Thank you for joining us for this interview. My name is Evelyn, and I am one of the marketing managers for Pharma MES.
Thank you, Evelyn. Good morning.
Good morning. Sorry, it's evening here, so that confused me. Good morning on your side. So, the pop in your job, you work as an associate director at MES at Eli Lilly and Company. What's the most exciting thing about your role, and why are you passionate about your job?
Yeah, absolutely. I guess the most exciting thing about my role, or just Eli Lilly in general, is the growth we're experiencing. So we are in the process of launching multiple new medicine, working with regulators to reach additional approvals of additional indications and new medicines. At the same time, our manufacturing organization, which I'm a part of, is growing significantly, and we are planning to build and launch 5 new manufacturing sites in a period of between 3 to 4 years. And so that's a tremendous amount of growth, tremendous amount of opportunity, tremendous amount of innovation that is very exciting.
Great. Onto your session, you present a topic of people-process paradigm for process and technology deployment, how to deliver with your MES, and we were wondering how we could do this. Please give us an insight into your topic and what are the key touch points we would like to look forward to.
Yeah, absolutely. So in my session, what I will cover and have an active discussion on is our ability to deliver MES systems that achieve business results. And a lot of times, MES projects are very complicated to deliver, take a long time, take a significant effort, take a large team, a cross-functional team, and doing this successfully is usually a challenge. So I have been involved in multiple MES and other digital plant projects over the past 5 years and beyond. And I wanted to share my experience on these best practices and also reach out for feedback from the forum of our guests and look for some additional feedback on these.
Great. People, process, technology. What is the most important during your digital transformation projects?
That's the challenging and exciting thing about that is that all 3 are. And forgetting one really does not deliver the ultimate digital transformation that a lot of companies hope for. So from people, it takes the right leadership, it takes the right vision, it takes the right execution, it takes the right collaboration, the right mindset for collaboration. The process typically needs to be adapted from a paper to digital process and either simplified from a manual operation perspective and sometimes more complicated from a digital execution perspective. So that takes a different skill set that is really important to have the right people and the right structure to achieve that. And then from a technology, you need to have the right partners and the right solutions to enable your digital transformation vision, whether it's to improve quality, whether it's to improve production throughput, whether it's through maybe add additional capacity to your site without necessarily expanding your employee footprint. All of these items have to work together in tandem to truly achieve that transformation that you're looking for.
Great. On to the topics and trends. Where do you see them next year? What are the developments what developments do you expect to see?
As far as immediately within the next year, I don't see any big transformation initiatives, but more continuation of what probably most of us are working on through really adapting our digital plans, improving that digital footprint, continuing the implementation of MES and other execution systems on the floor, and moving us to have that foundation to achieve the next level of transformation and focus on more advanced technologies like predictive analytics or even predictive maintenance. And some of us have achieved that in pockets. And as we continue on that journey, it's really expanding that footprint and making as established service, as established practice, as we bring up new manufacturing sites where we start from the beginning with that mode in mind, as well as evolving our current manufacturing sites and operations to adapt these new modalities.
Okay. How does the future of MES look like for you? For example, being located in the cloud, is there any platform integration of applications or monolithic systems?
Yeah, the comment I like to make to have people think more so than following verbatim is that to me the future of MES is no MES, and what I mean by that is that we've been used with these monolithic systems that have really advanced and improved our operations over the past really 20 years. But I see the future of MES as a collection of different services that maybe these monolithic MES solutions used to serve all at the same, through the same platform with the same architecture, but really separating these value propositions of the MES platforms into smaller modern technologies or modern platforms, all built on modern cloud-first architecture, whether that's hosted on-prem or in the cloud, that's not as relevant. But ultimately breaking MES down into these value drivers that it has been providing for the 20 years and making it more flexible, more adaptable, and quicker to deploy through that process for the right business purpose.
Great. Thank you so much. Those are the questions that we had for you today. We're grateful we had the opportunity to interview you before the event and also to get to know you as a speaker. We hope that the interview was also fun for you, and we are grateful.
Thank you so much. Look forward to it.